Go.
I'm in kindergarten. I have a fast bike. It goes fast when I motor all the time. I know it's easy, but sometimes hard.
Check it out. No training wheels.
I'm a cool.
Ellie, turn around if you can and come back this way. Take a big, long, wide turn. She's doing it, folks.
I'm a kindergartner.
She's a kindergartner with no training wheels.
See?
I'm taking a movie, honey.
Oh.
You're doing a great job. Watch where you're pedaling. Watch where you're pedaling.
Okay.
Ellie is awesome.
I don't have any training wheels. Wow. I balanced.
Luke wants his wheels off. Look at him.